My name is Zion, and this is my wife Valentina, and we've been doing locksmith for over than 12 years now.
Here in our channel, we will share our knowledge and everything we learned over the years. Here you will find everything about locks and keys, whether it's for your home, office, or vehicle. We will cover it all.
Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a push-to-start fob for a Dodge Ram pickup truck. It's very simple, you don't even need a flathead. All you need is pushing this bottom out to the side. You're going to take the emergency key out. Then you got a small line here. What you're going to do, you put the key inside, you just turn it. As you see, we crack the key open. You're going to take all this piece out. This is a plastic cover. Now we got this rubber. I'm going to take it out, and then you can see the battery here. It's 2032 battery. Just be careful when you take it out. You don't want to damage any of those chip on the circuit board. Then you're going to slide the battery out very gently. You take the new one, slide it back in. I'm going to put this back inside the rubber. Very simple, you can do it yourself, and thank you for watching.